Have you ever stopped to think about the hidden environmental cost of toilet paper? Here's a shocking fact. It takes 37 gallons of water to make just one roll, and the average person uses 50 rolls a year. That's 1,850 gallons of water, just for bathroom hygiene. But that's only the beginning. The paper industry is responsible for about 15% of global deforestation, meaning each roll you use is contributing to the destruction of vital forests. But what if I told you there's a simple change you can make that saves water, preserves forests, and reduces waste all at once? Enter the bidet. Bidets use less than 1 liter of water per use. Yes, you heard that right. Less than 1 liter, a tiny fraction of the water required to make a single roll of toilet paper. When you switch to a bidet, you're not just saving a little water, you're saving thousands of liters over the course of a year. That's an incredible difference in your water footprint. But the benefits don't stop there. Let's talk about paper. By cutting down on your toilet paper usage, you're helping to reduce the demand for trees to be harvested. Every roll of paper you don't use means fewer trees felled, and that helps preserve forests and their delicate ecosystem. Imagine the positive impact if more people made the switch. Bidets also drastically reduce landfill waste. Even though toilet paper is biodegradable, it still ends up in landfills where it can take years to break down. A bidet eliminates this problem, helping to reduce the amount of paper waste that clutters our landfills and harms the environment. And it's not just about water and paper. Bidets actually help improve our sewage systems. Toilet paper often causes clogs and backups in plumbing systems, leading to costly repairs and inefficiencies. By using less toilet paper and flushing less waste, bidets reduce the strain on waste management systems, helping them run more smoothly and saving money in the long run. Now, I know what you're thinking. Do bidets use energy? Yes, they do, particularly heated models, but here's the thing. The energy consumption of a bidet is minimal compared to the environmental costs of producing and transporting toilet paper. When you factor in the water savings, the reduction in waste, and the preservation of forests, the bidet is the clear winner for the environment. Switching to a bidet is one of the simplest, most effective ways you can reduce your environmental impact. You'll save water, reduce paper waste, and help protect our planet. It's a small change in your routine that makes a big difference in the world.